Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Okay, so first I would like to apologize for not posting any new videos. I was away from YouTube for quite a long time, but now here I am, posting another YouTube video. Okay, so today's clock is this Slava ussr alarm clock, which still works. And there's quite a story behind this clock. So, not too long ago, we bought a house in Făgețelu and we saw the clock there. And I wound it up a little bit and surprisingly it still works. And yeah, as I said earlier, it's a Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. And yeah, it's just an amazing clock. And I'm very proud to have this clock in my collection. Hold on 1 second, let me wind it. It kind of stopped ticking. Or I just need to shake it up a little bit. I shook it up a little bit and it's working. So yeah. There's this Slava alarm clock made in the USSR. Bye guys.